Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the chapter first, that is set. First of all, we want to know the meaning of a set. In case of set, a definition is a set is well defined collection of objects. A set is well defined collection of objects. Let us understood with the help of one example. I go to a market and say to bookseller, please give me a set of class 11th. If I say, please give me a set of class 11th, is this statement is well defined for the bookseller? I hope it is no, because I simply say please give me a set of class 11th, but it does not tell him about the stream, whether you are belongs to science, whether you are belongs to commerce group, or whether you are belongs to humanities group. So it means in this word set is there, but it is not well defined to that one. So in case of set, we specially say a set is well defined collection of objects. So if I say to the shopkeeper, please give me a set of class 11th with the following books: English, physics, chemistry, math, physical education and painting, then it is well defined. So this word is an important word in the set. It should be well defined collection of objects. See with a few example, the vowel in the English alphabet A, E, I, O, U, it is well defined because we know in English alphabet there are only 5 vowels. Now see the various kind of triangles. We know there are the few type of fixed triangles: right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangles. Now see one more: odd natural number less than 10. If I say odd natural number, then definitely it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. The process will be continue. But in this question he say odd number less than 10. It is well defined here that your number should be less than 10. So the number are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So a set is a well defined collection of objects. I hope till this point you are clear. Now a set is always represented with the help of braces. See the symbol, it is the help of braces. Means whenever we write down the elements of a set, these elements should be written in the form in the braces. Now example: A, E, I, O, U. See this one, I have write down the set here in the form of braces with comma. And remember, no element is repeated. One element is written only one time. If any element is repeated, it means there is no need to write down again. See one more example: 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the example of the sets. Now whenever we study, we always use the symbols. So there are the different representation of various set. N, it represent the set of all natural numbers. Means rather than to write down the set of all natural number, we use the alphabet capital N. Capital Z for the set of integer, Q for the set of rational number, R the set of real numbers, Z positive integers, ZQ positive means positive rational number, R positive means positive real numbers, and T is a irrational number. Up to 10th class you know all about this, the integer, rational number, irrational number and other things. Now in sets there is one more symbol we use normally. It is symbol this one. This symbol is used for the belongs to, and this symbol is used for not belongs to. Now how can we identify? See this one. A set A is given to you with the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 15 and 18. There are the few elements given in the set A. I write down the sum element 3, then A, 10A. If you observe, this 3 is belongs to this set. So we use this 3 belongs to set A. Rather than to write down belongs to, we use a symbol of it. Now see 10. Is 10 is there? Yes, 10 is there. Then 10 belongs to A. If you observe 16, is the 16 is there in this set? No, 16 is not there. 16 is not belongs to A. 7. Is 7 is belong? No, 7 is not belongs to A. So these are the symbol for the belongs to and not belongs to. After that, see, there are the one more form about the sets, that is called roster form or tabular form. Roster form, in simple way, we want to say that whenever the elements are given to you and you will write down that element in the expanded form, then it is said to be the roster form. See this one. In a roster form, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by the commas and enclosed with the braces. Means all the element written in the braces with the help of comma, and each element write only one time. Means repetition is not allowed. See example. A is equals to, now listen it carefully what I say, x. These two dots represent x such that x, I repeat, x such that x is an integer and x should be greater than -3, less than 7. This is a simple statement he gave. We write down in the roster form. Roster or tabular means expansion. Write down everything. First of all, the important thing he discuss about the integer. So your x should be greater than -3 and that value belongs to integer. So after -3 result is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 because it should be less than 7. See one more example. E. This write the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Now solution. We represent the set with the help of E, which is given to us. E is equals to, now T R I G O N. Again see this, after N there is a one more O. So we write down only one time because it is already written by us. After N it is M. After that it is E. After that again T is there. So T is already written, no need to write again. After that R. R is already there, no need to write. And last Y. Each element written only one time, separated by commas and kept in the braces. This form is called as the roster form. Now see one more, that is called set builder form. It is the reverse of the roster form. In case of roster form, he gave a statement in one line and we expand it. But in case of set builder form, he gave a complete statement to us. We have to summarize into a one line. Now see, all the element of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. Means whatever the relation you have, whatever the statement he gave, we make a relation or we identify the relation. See with the example, X is a set having an element A, E, I, O, U. Now he say write down this statement in set builder form. We know all of these are represent a vowel. So we write down X set is equals to what? X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. He gave the statement in roster form. We write down in set builder form. See one more example. A, 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 are given to you. We observe this 1, 4, 9 and 16, 25. All of this are the square of natural number. So in journal we write down in the set builder form A is equals to X such that X equals to N square, where N belongs to capital N. Capital N means natural number. So we write down with the help of symbols. So this form 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. This form is called as the roster form and this form is called as the set builder form. I hope all of you understood about the basic about sets.